Sir, you are live now, sir.
Ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
Okay. In good morning to all of you. And in previous class, we have started this problem. I mean, in this is the first problem in job costing. Actually, what I have done, that I just try to cover a specific topic as a whole by providing comprehensive examples and solve these examples. That's why if you go through the heading of this day, it says a TDS, so it will come later on. Okay, so if you look at this problem, and this is the continuation of our previous class. In previous class, we have made up to this in that sense. We have prepared opening balance sheet. It shows capital 10 lakhs, State Bank 10 lakhs, and we have prepared cost centers. um, Cost centers, that is building project. If you go through the question, and then uh, we have prepared some go down. This is a go down also, and after that you will find that project building project go down. It would better. I hope this problem is with you. So I just try to share my tally screen with you. Yes, yes. And this is the job costing, and this was the name of the company. If you go through alter and if you find cost centers, yes, building project was my cost centers. If you take a look, this was the building project we have prepared in our last class. Similarly, we create suppliers ledger. You can see this is the customer and this is the supplier ledgers. Okay, and these are the other ledgers we have prepared. For example, transportation charge, direct expenses, wages for the project, direct expenses, and sale and customers. Okay, purchase sales also been prepared. Then some expense ledger, transportation, wages for project has been prepared. Then we have made transfer entry and consumption voucher class. How to do this? In alter, if you go through the voucher type and if you go through the stock journal, you will find these two options we have prepared. One is transfer, you can see right hand side below name of class, and then another one is consumption. So these two voucher class has been prepared. After that, we have prepared some raw materials, I mean stock items. If you go through the stock items, you will find these are the stock item: brick, cement, clay, sand, stone, TMT bar. All stock item has been prepared. Then we made a purchase voucher. If you go through the voucher, and this was 1st May 21, we purchased from supplier and transferred to main location, and these are the items with quantity and rate has been provided. So up to this we have covered in our last classes. Today, after completion this remaining part of this problem, we will start a comprehensive problem of job costing. Okay, and later on, if time permit, then we will touch upon some adjustment entries. Okay, so then at first, so this was our first transactions. Now come to the next transactions, that is come to the voucher. Yes, this one. Yes, come to the voucher first, then press F10, then press stock journal. Stock journal. Under stock journal, we have prepared two options. Another one is transfer, another one is consumption. So now, if you go through the question, you will find there is a transfer entry on 2nd May 21. If you take a look of your previous day last problem, which I have provided, you will find on 2nd May 21, material transfer material to consumption go down. So actually in this case you need to consider transfer, and with transfer in this destination you will find building project, that is the destination, and send all items means sand sand from which go down, from main location, quantity 20 trucks. Okay, then bricks 5,000 pieces, bricks from main location 50,000 pieces, and 10 per piece. After bricks, cement main location 1,000 bag, 500 automatically been taken. After cement, clay main location 10 trucks, rest of the item will be taken automatically. Then after clay you will find stone, sorry, 10 trucks, it's also 500 per truck. uh, Sorry, clay, yes, clay 10 trucks, 500 per truck. Stone 10 trucks, stone 10 trucks from main location, 10 trucks, 1,000 per trucks. And then TMT bar from main location, and you can see 100 kg. If you put down 100, 1,000 per kg, it's over. Okay, so we just transfer through this transaction, we just transfer all those items from main location to our site, that is building project go down. Now come to the next step, that is consumption. If you go through the question, then you will find on 31st May 21 consumptions of raw material for job projects. So consumption, how to show the consumption? First of all, the same matter, voucher, and then F10, then you will find consumption under stock journal. Okay, we have already prepared. I have to change the date in this case. The date is 31st 5/21. Okay, and now we have to consider source. So I have to put all those items and nothing will be given on destination. That is the consumption. You can see the consumption is given beside the stores. Okay. So similar manner, consider sand, 20 trucks. Sorry, building project, 20 trucks, 5,000 pot trucks already been taken. Bricks, 50,000 pieces. 10 per piece. After bricks, cement, 1,000 bag. This is building go down, 1,000 bags. After cement, clay, 10 trucks for building go down. After clay, stone, it's also 10 trucks. After stone, TMT bar, also 100 kg. Okay, and it's over. So in this case, we needn't put any item below destination or production. Why now? We just try to show that all those item has been consumed at building project go down or in building project site. So accept the screen. So what we have done now, we have at today we have started with transfer, then second consumption. Now come to the third part. If you go through the question, you will find that the next one is 1st June. Payment made for purchase through SBI. Payment made for purchase through SBI. Okay. And then some expenses which has not been provided here. Okay, no problem at all. We consider some expenses here also. So first of all, before this purchase, I try to show you some expenses. Okay, so from voucher and F5 for payment, and we consider date is 1/6/21. Okay, and we make payment through bank and transportation charge. Okay, we consider transportation charge 50,000. Okay, and cost center definitely building project. Similarly, another debit we consider wages for project and 70,000 wages for project, and for building cost center consider building project, and we credit in this case to bank. Okay, we didn't prepare any bank account in this case, so we consider cash. But I suppose at the beginning we have prepared some SBI, so it would be better if I consider no, SBI is not prepared. Okay, so okay, next is then we consider cash. It may be negative, no problem at all. It will just uh, give an indication that see it's your cash is out of your balance. I mean, debit balance is on at your now. Show the job costing reports. How to show this? Now, first of all, come to display. You may press D. Then stock of inventory. That is statements of inventory. Then job work analysis. You will find job work analysis. Then building project and Alt F1. It will show you in details whatever be the look transportation. This is from 1st June to 30th June. So it would better I consider 1st April 1/4/21 to 1/7/21. Now you can see the holistic view. This is the inwards, and this is the transportation, wages, and so on. Nothing, no sales has been made till date. So that is the report. Now I try to show you sales of this job project to your customer. So how to pass a sales entry in case of job costing, as same as normal sales entry, I mean regular sales entry. So go to the dashboard, then voucher, then F8 for sell. When you press F8 for sell, then change the date F2, say 1/7/21, and I try to change mode. How to change mode? Now Alt H, or you can click on change mode option right hand side, and always consider as voucher. Okay, and in that case, no cost center class is applicable, so we debit customer, our customer, under Sunday data at the time of preparation, and consider the total receivable is 14 lakhs. Okay, this is a new reference, and 14 lakhs, and credit sales definitely, and it is for building project. Press B, building project come up. So that's all. Okay, now if you take a look on job work analysis, you can access it directly. Click on go to or press Alt G from dashboard and write down job work analysis. Just press job, it will show you the rest of the thing. This is job work analysis, building project, Alt F1. Now we need to change the date. It would better I change the date from 1/4/21 to 31st/7/21. So now this is our sales 14 lakhs, inwards 12 lakh 15,000, transport direct expenses. So this is 65,000, which is shown as net profit in this particular job or project. So today we will start with a new one. So new one in that sense, I just get back from the screen and delete this company. Alt K, come to alter, Alt D, Alt D. Okay, so now let's take a look on the comprehensive problem. I just want to, those who are attending for the first time in that sense in job costing, it would be helpful to them also. Now take a look. This is the new problem, that is problem number 2. Okay, it's a big one. First slide, second slide, third slide. Okay, so we try to solve this question today. Those, I repeat again, those who are attending this class for the first time, that means those who are joining this class, this is a class of job costing, they try to focus on This entire problem, it is a comprehensive one. Every details or every types of mm, concepts or features has been incorporated. Okay. So first of all, I try to go through the problem. If you have any doubts or any confusion, please write on your chat box. Okay. So let's start with the problem. I repeat again, this is a comprehensive one. Every details and every features has been incorporated with that particular problem. This is problem number 2 under job costing. Okay, let's start. In this case, there is a company named XYZ Developer. Okay. So XYZ Developer got 2 construction projects. Remember, at a time, 2 construction project is been going on. First project name is AB Towers, Kolkata. Second project name is Hotel Hyatt at Siliguri. So project name and its location both are given. Okay, that's the first point. Remember, project name and location both are given or provided. Next, come to the this is our opening balance sheet. In opening balance sheet, what we have seen, no stock are being provided. I mean, no opening stock is there. This is as you consider this is the opening balance sheet, and uh, date as per my first question, we consider this is 1/4/21. I just try to uh, write down 1/4/21. This is balance sheet. So now look, it's a 60 lakhs capital and planned 10 lakhs, bank for 40 lakhs and cash 10 lakhs. So as per the first point which has been given, company purchased 250 metric ton, MT in that sense metric ton. Out of 250, 150 transferred to AB Towers, 50 metric ton transferred to Hotel Hyatt, and remaining to main location. So what's happened, if I try to compare this problem with my last one, in this case, every item, whatever be the second table is shown, every item at the beginning transferred to your main location, then it transferred to your site. But in that case, you purchase, this is a single purchase entry, but total quantity in this purchase is 250. Out of 250, 150 directly sent to your first site, that is AB Towers. 50 transferred to second site, that is Hotel Hyatt, and third, I mean remaining part, that is 100 metric ton, sorry 50 metric ton, 150 AB Towers, 50 Hotel Hyatt, rest 50 metric ton transferred to main location. There is a no case of purchase and all the goods transferred to main location thereafter transferred to sites. No, at the time of purchase you transfer all those items, that means transfer from your supplier godown directly. It's transferred from your supplier godown or delivered from your supplier godown to the 3 different places. So that's the first point. Now come to the second. The date has been provided, 1/4/21. The item is ACC cement. Okay. Next, purchase details. So in this table, we will find different items from different suppliers. at different dates, and they follow the same manner. That means they transfer item or deliver item directly from the supplier end to different location. At present, XYZ company are continuing their sites or development in three different locations. I mean, one is main location and other two are being provided, and every detail regarding the quantity has been given. Now, their unit at the time of preparing unit, stock unit, you have to prepare pieces, cubic meter. Uh, One thing is missing here, and this is not 300. This is sand, also CUM. Okay, and metric ton kgs. That's all. A rate is also been provided. Now come to the next slide. So this is the vital part. That is, company paid 72,000 rupees to ACC Cement Limited. I mean ACC Limited on 31st July. Then transfer 200 kg waterproofing compound, 150 kg admixture. These are the material or elements which are required for foundation work or any kind of building or construction. And transfer 200 kg waterproofing compound, 150 admixture on 1821 from main location to AB towers to be used for foundation work. So one thing may arise, whether the date is 1821, you can see 1721 these waterproofing compound and admixture has been purchased. Okay, no problem. So if you look at the purchase, nothing has been transferred to your AB towers and Hotel Hyatt. All the items has been delivered from suppliers go down to main location. So that's why the second point shows 200 kg transfer and 150 kg transfer from main location to AB towers. And then thereafter it says, if you look at my mouse pointer, that is point number 3, it says consumed 100 kg waterproofing out of 100 waterproofing compound on next day at the construction of AB towers. Next, on 2621, 7 lakhs rupee has been paid to Roy Builders. So it doesn't mean that this amount has been paid through cash. All the cases we consider bank transaction. Okay, even if it is not been given. Now come to the next part. 250 kg waterproofing compound and 100 kg admix. So this is the second transfer from main location to second site, that is Hotel Hyatt on 1821. Then make an advance payment for 1 lakh. Out of 1 lakh, it shows 50,000 to Mr. Jana, project manager of AB Towers, and 50,000 to Mr. Chatterjee, project manager of Hotel Hyatt. As a whole, 1 lakh paid by cash as managerial expenses on 1721. Over. Next, payment of wages made 1821. This is first payment was managerial expenses. Second one was wages. That is for 1,50,000 paid to Mr. Pradeep, labor contractor at AB Towers, and 1,50,000 to, I mean, same amount to different labor contractor at different sites on 1821. Over. Last entry, 50 kg of admixture consumed. That means the admixture transferred to your Hotel Hyatt on 1821 and it was consumed in 1921. 60 kg at Hotel Hyatt and 50 kg at AB Towers for foundation work. That's all. So this is a huge one. So I hope I will just share the screen. You just take a snap. There are 3 slides, and it will be helpful for you at the time of solving the problem. So that is the first slides. Okay, you may take a snap. Now come to the second slide. This is my second slide, that is the purchase. Okay, come to the last slide. This is the last slide. Okay, so now uh, we are about to solve this problem one by one. So take it carefully. If you have any doubts, definitely write on chat box. Actually, as a CMA student, job costing is one of the most important chapter I consider. That's why I try to solve one simple problem which we have solved in previous class, and one comprehensive problem we are about to solve now. So first of all, I have to prepare a company. I share my tally screen. This is my tally screen. I create a company. Yes, the company name is, say, construction project. Okay. One 421. Accept the script. So I ignore XYZ Limited. I consider construction project for our convenience. Okay. So first of all, I have to activate. So the first step is, what should we do? We have to activate some of the features in Tally. So at the beginning, when the features screen will open up, then we will uh, activate cost center. That is the third option. Enable cost centers. I turn it as yes. Complete. Then we have to activate another one, that is job costing. Okay, so I turn it as yes. So now what's happened? I have to deactivate GST and accept the screen. Over. So cost center has been activated, and job costing is also activated. Now from dashboard we will select create. I mean, we are going to create cost center first. So now gateway of tally, then create, then select cost center. I repeat again, those who are attending this class for the first time, just remember, we are trying to solve a job costing project. Okay. So this is cost center. As per the question, you can see probably it may happen that on your screen use of job costing, these options, this field is not available. To make it available, you just press F12 and select this item said job costing for cost centers as yes. Okay, so it already been yes, so that's why the last field is being shown. So first of all, what should I do now? I have to write down project AB tower. Project AB tower. Under primary, use of job costing, that's the vital point. Yes, use of job costing. That means we this is a mechanism by which we connect the cost center with job costing method. Okay, the cost, I repeat again, this is the way we connect job costing with cost center. Yes. Now that is the first one. In similar manner, AB project, we have to calculate project. I mean, we have to write down project Hotel Hyatt. And similar manner, we turn it as yes. Okay. So there are two cost center. One is AB Towers. Second one is Hotel Hyatt, and we have connected with the cost centers with the job costing. Now we have to. So this the first steps. It's over. Now come to gateway of tally dashboard. Again create. Now we have to prepare go down. That is mean three locations or three sites has been provided. So come to go down. Create new and consider Kolkata. Sorry. For we just write down Kolkata. This is a location of AB Towers. Okay. So you may write down under primary. One question arises: allow storage materials. Okay, if it is not available, then you press F12 and you will find allow storage materials available here. This is the one that is the hard last. Okay, allow storage material, yes. Set job costing, yes. Job costing details, yes. Okay, and accept it. So then allow storage materials, which turn at as yes. And now whenever you come to this particular field, set job slash project for job costing. So Kolkata is a godown which is connected with, I mean, this is a godown for project AB tower. So in such a way, we connect godown with particular project or jobs. So godown is situated in Kolkata. This godown is exclusively used for project AB tower. So I consider AB tower and save it. Similar manner, in godown, we consider Siliguri. Same thing, and this is the location of Hotel Hyatt. So I consider Siliguri godown is exclusively used by project Hotel Hyatt. So I consider Hotel Hyatt and save the screen. Over. Now the second step is done. So I get back to the dashboard. So two go down has been prepared. Now, but there is another go down which is called main location. So I need to change, I need to alter. Actually, main location is a go down by default tally provided. So I need to alter this main location. How to alter this? From gateway of tally, you come down to alter, press enter, and then come down to go down. Remember now what I am doing? Now I just alter the existing or by default go down provided by tally. Why we need to alter it? Let's see. Go down. Look, main location is already been there. No problem at all. If you press enter on it, you will get everything is in detail. Okay. So it's under primary. Allow storage material, definitely yes. Set job or project for job costing. Actually, I need to change it, not primary, but for main location. But main location is not available. If you look at the right hand side list of job or projects, main location is not available. Okay. So I try to assign this main location go down to for a particular project which is called main location. You may change it. I mean, you may not consider main location site or name of the project. You may consider separate name, but for our convenience, we create a job or project for maintaining this main location go down. So if you can see right hand side, I just select create. How to select it? I press up arrow, select create, and write down main location. You may provide some other name also, no problem at all. And definitely in this case, use for job costing, yes, yes. So accept it. Now you can see, you just try to follow my mouse pointer. So main location is the name of the godown which has been provided by tally, and we connect it with a specific job for main location or specific project which is situated at main location. So it may be uh, some different location. I may consider different name of this location, but for our convenience, I try to keep both the godown name and project name are identical. Okay. So apart from Kolkata and Siliguri, there is another location which is called main location, and it also associated with a godown. The name of the godown is also main location. I accept the screen. Okay. Let's see. There are three godown: Kolkata, main location, and Siliguri. So it's over. Now get back to gateway of Delhi. Now we need to prepare some ledgers. It's a huge task. If you go through the tables, second slide, sorry, from the first slide, you will find so many options. I mean, so many ledgers we need to be created. So at the beginning, it would be better if we prepare the opening balance sheet first. Okay, in opening balance sheet, so how to do this? Now we try to yes, create, come to the ledger. In opening balance sheet, the first option which has been shown is capital. Under capital, if you look at the amount is 60 lakhs. So 60 lakhs. After capital, you will find in asset side, plant 10 lakhs. Plant comes under fixed asset and amount is 10 lakhs. After plant, bank. So I just write down bank itself. No bank name provided for our convenience. Bank amount which has been given 40 lakhs. Okay, 40 lakhs. So bank is over. Now we have to put cash 10 lakhs. So get back from gateway of tally, come to alter, come select cash is by default ledger which is available, open it and uh, put down the value 10 lakhs over. So accept the screen. So now we take a look whether our balance sheet is just identical with my question or not. Alt F1. You can see the capital 60 lakhs, land 10 lakhs, cash 10 lakhs, bank 40 lakhs. Yes, it's identical with our question. So first step is done. So we have prepared our opening balance sheet on 1/4/21. Yes. Now, before passing all those journal entries, we need to prepare some ledgers. Okay. So how many ledgers are to be created? To know this information, we have to go through each and every transaction. So if you look at the first transaction, that means on your first slide, you will find company purchased 250 metric ton, okay, and of cement from ACC Limited. So in that case, we have to prepare two ledger. One is purchase, another one is ACC Limited. So let's start. Come to create ledger purchase. Purchase account is to be prepared under purchase and accept the screen. One thing I need to mention, whenever you prepare purchase, you can see cost center is applicable and inventory value is affected. Suppose if this option is not available on your screen, at that moment you just press F12 and just see what I have done is use inventory allocation for ledgers. These options helps you to view inventory value affected or not. So I turn it as yes. That's why in case of purchase ledger, you will find that particular field inventory value affected or not. And the next option is apply cost center for ledger. If you turn it as yes, so in each and every case of ledger creation screen, the option cost center applicable, these field will be appeared. Okay, so these two options need to be activated. Apply cost center for ledgers and use inventory allocation for ledgers. Okay, so I accept the screen. So it's over. So next one is ACC Limited. ACC Limited, we purchase items from ACC Limited. So ACC Limited is our creditors. Maintain bill by bill, definitely yes. And rest of the item are kept as no. Actually, ACC Limited is our creditor. It's not to be treated as a cost centers. Okay. So accept the screen. So it's done. Now come to the second slide. Remember one thing, cement is an stock item and metric ton is a stock unit. So at the time of creating stock item and unit, we will consider these two. So for now, for the time being, we just keep these two, creation of this stock item and stock unit. Okay, next. Come to the next slide. So several suppliers name are available. So we just follow each and every one. First of all, Hira Bricks is a supplier. So that's why we have to consider Hira Bricks. Hira Bricks is a supplier and we accept the screen. After Hira Bricks, Roy Builders. Roy Builders is also a Sunday creditor and accept the screen. After Roy Builders, Sakti Steel is also a Sunday creditor and accept the screen. After Steel, ACC Limited already prepared binding wire. Achha, there is a one mistakes. Actually, Sun Traders will comes in this place, in the place of supplier, and the item name is binding wire. Okay, I hope it is visible to you. So I have to prepare Sun Traders. Sun Traders is a Sunday creditor and rest of the item are as usual. After Sun Traders, Deepak Chemical. So Deepak Chem is another Sunday creditor and accept the screen. Over. So all those suppliers has been created. Now come to the stock item. One of the most important part. So before creating stock item, it would better to create different units. Okay. So first of all, get back from this screen to gateway of tally. Again, come to the create. For your convenience, I just repeat the same thing again and again. Gateway of tally, create, then come to unit under inventory masters. So first unit in this case is pieces. I skip formal name of this particular unit. Then cubic meter, CUM. I also skip formal name. Then MT, that is metric ton, MT. I skip formal name. Just put down the symbol. After metric ton, kg, and skip the formal name again. It's over. So unit has been prepared. Now we have to prepare stock item. Okay. So what to do at that moment? Just select stock item. I just press escape key and get back to previous screen where stock item is available. Those who are uh, starting from get dashboard, gateway of tally, create stock item. Let's start. As per your second screen, I mean second slide of the problem, you will find the first item which is available, bricks. Bricks, BRICKS. Under bricks is in terms of pieces, is purchased in terms of pieces, and there is no opening balance at all. After bricks, you will find stone. Stone under cubic meter. In our previous example, we have considered in terms of truck. Okay, no problem at all. Bricks is done. Sorry, stone is also completed. Now sand, cubic meter. Sand, cubic meter. Enter, enter, enter. Sand is done. After sand, we come to TMT bar in terms of metric ton. TMT bar in terms of metric ton. over. After TMT bar, cement, we have to prepare cement in terms of metric ton also. Cement in terms of metric ton also. So it's not a very difficult or very tough thing. We just prepare the different stock item according to their unit, which has been given on your problem. So after cement, binding wire in terms of kg, binding wire in terms of kg. So I select kg also. After binding wire, you will find waterproofing. I write down waterproofing compound. Waterproofing compound is considered, I mean, is measured in terms of kg. So select kg. After waterproofing compound, the last item is add mixture. Add mixture. Actually, these two items is require for the foundation work, primary in terms of kg also. So it's done. So we have almost designed total company books of accounts. We prepared stock items. We have prepared different uh, parties. We have prepared different ledgers like creditors, I mean all those parties, and purchase account, and we have already prepared our opening balance sheet. So that's all. Now we are about to reach to the last stage of this particular problem. What's happened in this case, we will try to pass some voucher entries one by one. Okay, so get back gateway of tally, and in gateway of tally, at the beginning we come down to the vouchers. Press V. Voucher screen will open. Then open the voucher screen. So now what should we do? We have to press F9. Why? If you go through the first slide of your problem, you will find purchase of raw material. Okay. So the point is how to do this. So purchase of raw material, the date which has been given on the question is, yes, this is on the first slide 1/4/21. So let's start with the purchase. 1/4/21 is shown on your date. I consider supplier invoice number. I do not want to put any supplier invoice number for that moment. So party, okay, ACC Limited, accept the screen, Control A, and this is purchase ledger. So I have to select purchase. Okay. So now what should I do? In this case, if I select Control H or change mode, you will find an option which is called as voucher. So I try to pass this entry through as voucher mode. Okay. Now select as voucher. Enter ACC. Okay. Accept. So one interesting thing I just try to show you through this particular entries. Actually, if I took a look at the screen, you will find 6,000 into 250. this is the total amount. If you just try to calculate 6000 into 250, so control N, you will find calculator will activated below your screen. So write down 6000 into 250, you will find 15 lakhs. So write again control N, and credit side 15 lakhs. Okay, it's considered as a new reference, no problem at all. Reference number 1, our first purchase from ACC Limited. This is a purchase. Whenever you select the purchase, then one interesting thing will happen, that is the name of the item. Yes, press C, cement will come up. Now name of the godown. If you go through the question, you will find there are 3 godown. I mean, it has been distributed or delivered to 3 different godown. First one is AB Towers. So you just press space bar. AB Tower, project AB Tower, godown is Kolkata, so select Kolkata. Quantity is 150 metric ton, 150 metric ton, and the rate is provided as 6000 per metric ton. So indicate 9 lakhs. Number 1. Again, press space bar, select Siliguri, that is for project Hayat, and here at this site you delivered, I mean your ACC Limited delivered 50 metric ton at the same rate. And last is main location. At the main location, so remaining 50, okay, has been sent. So whatever be the, what is the value? 9 lakh, 3 lakh, 3 lakh. Okay, it need to be remembered 933. Okay, this is the cement total purchase inventory allocation. Now cost center, just press space bar, Kolkata, that is AV Tower, where 9 lakh has been dispatched. Again space bar, Hotel Hayat, 3 lakh has been dispatched. Last main location, 3 lakh has been dispatched. Okay, so these are the segregation of different quantity with its value to different delivery point. So on that particular day, only cement has been purchased from ACC Limited. So enter and enter. So take a look. If you go through the ACC Limited, 15 lakhs current balance credit. That means you need there is a due for 15 lakhs. It is a credit purchase and purchase item. Total cement purchased 250 metric ton, and it delivered to 3 different locations. That's all. And I accept the screen. So we have completed our first PPT. I mean first slide. That is first transaction has been made. Now come to the next part. That is purchase details. It's a huge one. Okay. So now let's start with 2nd April purchase bricks from Hira Bricks. So I have to change the date F2 2nd April. Okay. I just keep or avoid supplier invoice number, date, cost center class also. Actually, category has not been made in this particular problem. Okay, now we have to consider the creditor name is Hira Bricks. So I have to select Hira Bricks. Control A, accept the screen. Control A, accept the screen. I have to calculate the value. So in case of Hira bricks, you will find total 4 lakh, 2 lakh for AB Towers, 2 lakh for Hotel Hyatt, 4 lakhs pieces. I mean, 2 to 4 lakh pieces bricks has been delivered 5 rupees per piece. So what to do? Open tally screen and press Control N. So I have to make a multiplication 4 lakhs 1 2 1 2 3 into 5 per unit, that is 20 lakhs. Okay, so 20 lakhs, I repeat again, Control N, 20 lakhs. Over, it's another new reference. This is the second purchase, that's why it has been taken as two new reference, 20 lakhs. Now let's start with the purchase distribution. Name of the item is bricks. Okay. Now take a look. Bricks has been purchased 2 lakhs for, I mean, purchased and delivered 2 lakhs to AB Towers, 5 per unit. So AB Towers, you just press space bar. AB Tower at Kolkata, 2 lakh 5 per unit. Again, after Kolkata, you have to select project Hotel Hyatt, again 2 lakh. Okay. And in main location, nothing has been sent out. So 10 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. Breaks, in total 20 lakh. Project AB Tower, 10 lakh. And project Hotel Hyatt, 10 lakh. So it's over. Okay. So nothing has been purchased on that particular date from the same creditor. So it's over. So 2nd April transaction has been made. Now come to the next part, that is 1/5/21. That means 1st May purchased stone and sand, two different. So now this one of the interesting part is how to provide two different items and three different locations in a single voucher. That's the point. You just take a look. Roy Builder supplied stone and sand at three different locations. Okay. So we just try to pass the voucher with a single purchase voucher mode. Let's start. Let's see how to do this. So we are in purchase voucher mode. I have to change the date first. Press F2. Date is given 1/5/21. 1/5/21. Okay. Okay. Now in the purchase, what's happened? Come to the stone. Okay. So this is purchased from Roy Builders. Accept. Accept. We need calculations. Okay. If you find it is difficult to calculate at once, so no problem at all. I just put down one tricks I try to give you at that moment. Suppose there is a huge calculations are needed for that particular purpose. I don't want to waste my time. So what should I do at that moment? I just put down any value except 0. If I put down 0, it doesn't allow me to proceed. If I put down 1, it allow me to proceed. So I don't know the actual figure. I don't want to activate my calculator and calculate all those things. So I adopt a tricks by which I needn't calculate anything. Tally will calculate each and everything. I just repeat up steps again. So let's see. I just put down rupee 1. Okay, remember. So this is the new reference number 3. That is a purchase, third time purchase. Third purchase. in this particular financial year. So it shows 1 rupee. Okay, no problem at all. Purchase. Now come to the point. So at the beginning, name of the item is stone. Okay, from Roy Builders. So stone means press S. You select stone. Go down. Stone are delivered to all the 3 locations. First, AB Towers, that is AB Tower. Look, project AB Tower, Kolkata. At AB Tower, 150 cubic meter has been delivered. Okay, 150, and the rate is, in that case, rate is 1000 per cubic meter. So 1,50,000. Okay, no problem. Then come to, after Kolkata, again same quantity to Hotel Hyatt Siliguri. Same quantity, I just consider Siliguri, same quantity, same rate, and finally 400 cubic meter transfer to mail location. 400, just press M, mail location come up 400. Okay, so 1,50,000, 1,50,000, 4 lakh over. So stone is over. 1,50,000, 1,50,000, 10 lakh. Now project AB Tower 1,50,000. Project Hotel Hyatt 1,50,000. And main location, rest of the amount 7 lakhs. It's over. No problem at all. 1,50,000, 1,50,000, 4 lakh to 3 different locations. Stone has been delivered. Total amount 7 lakhs. Plain and simple. You can see cost allocation for stone at the top of the screen. Okay, after stone has been delivered, then from the same creditor or from the same supplier, we have purchased sand. Okay, sand. So we have to press S, select sand. First go down, definitely Kolkata, AB Towers. For AB Towers, we have purchased sand 150 cubic meter. 150, and the price is 2000 per cubic meter. For Siliguri, how much? 200, 200. For main location, how much? No, 250, 250. Okay, 250. So what's the amount? 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh. It's easy to remember. 3, 4, 5. Okay, press enter, enter. Whenever you press another enter, it will ask you the cost center. So 3 lakh, Hotel Hyatt 4 lakh, and main location 5 lakh, 3, 4, 5. Over. So that's the way we just feed the data regarding the purchase of stone and sand from our supplier. Name is Roy Builder. Over. Accept this. Now it looks very unusual thing. You can see in the credit side it shows 1 rupees, in debit side it shows 19 lakh. I just click on 1 and change it 19 lakh. Over. Now it's over. It's okay. Just press enter, enter a couple of enters, and it will help you to, or you may press in one shot all these things. Just press Ctrl A. For your convenience, I just press enter, a couple of enter. Otherwise, you just change the value at the place rupees 1. In my case, it is 19 lakhs. You just press the value and Ctrl E. Entire screen will be saved. So it's over. With the help of this particular voucher, we have learned how to pass different items, a purchase journal of different items from a single supplier, and all those items has been delivered to different location. different project location. Okay, so that's all. I accept the screen. So thereafter, what's happened? If you go through the question, now we have uh, the date is 2nd May. We have purchased TMT bar from Shakti Steel. Let's start. Change the date. 2nd May. Shakti Steel is my creditor. I follow the same trick. I don't want to calculate. I put down value 1. That is my 4th purchase in this financial year. Purchase. Okay, now take a look. TMT bar 40 metric ton for AB towers. So AB TMT bar, name of the item TMT bar. Go down. Definitely for AB towers Kolkata 40 metric ton, and the rate is given for TMT bar is 50,000 per metric ton. 50,000 per metric ton. Okay, so Kolkata 4 metric ton. Similar way for Hotel Hyatt, that is Siliguri, another 40 metric ton. I have put down 40, same amount, and still, I mean, TMT bar doesn't dispatch to main location, so that's all. What the amount? 20 lakh, 20 lakh to different site. 20 lakh and 20 lakh. TMT bar 40 lakhs, it's okay, no problem at all. Now it will ask you centers 20 lakh for project AB Tower, project Hotel Hyatt, again 20 lakh, and it's over. So only one item has been purchased from Shakti Steel. So now look, your credit again shows 1 rupee. I just click on 1 and turn it as 40. Okay, it's over. Both the side been shown identical. Press couple of enter, but in your case, you just press Ctrl A. Entire screen will be saved. Over. So accept the screen. So after Shakti Steel, what's happened? The date was 2nd May. Now come to the 1st June. ACC cement. You again purchase ACC cement on 1st June. Change the date. 1/6/21. Okay, and in credit, definitely from ACC Limited, I try to put the same tricks, 1 rupee, and in similar manner, this is a purchase. Now I have to provide the item ACC cement. So now look, this cement just purchased and delivered to main location 240 units. Okay, so main location, just press aim, main location will be taken, and as per unit it shows ACC 240 metric ton, 6,000 per metric ton. 240 metric ton, it automatically been taken 6,000 as for our fast entry we have passed to this amount. So that's all, nothing else, only 240 exclusively for our main location. So we needn't worry about it. Yes, you have to select main location as a cost centers. Okay, so be careful about it, otherwise tally automatically taken the whichever the location has been selected for the first transaction of the same item. So that's why I have to change it and select main location as a cost center. Total 240 metric ton, 6,000 per metric ton has been transferred to main location. The item is cement purchased from ACC Limited. Now I have to change the amount 1, 2. I have to change 14 lakh 40,000. So it's over. I hope. Yes, both the sides show the same thing. I just press couple of enter. You may press Ctrl A and accept the screen. So it's over. Now come to the next part. After 1/6, next day 2/6, Send trader, purchase from send trader binding wire. Let's see. Change the date. Send trader. Accept. Just put down one. New reference. Purchase. Item, press B. You will find binding wire. For which go down? Now binding wire for first two go down. First two site. AB Towers 300. Hotel hire 250. So first AB Towers 200. Sorry, 300. 300 and the rate is 50 per kg. 50 per kg. And second hotel hire that means Siliguri, how much? 250, 250, 50 per kg. So 15,000 and 12,500. I repeat again, 15,000 and 12,500. So 15,000, 12,500. Okay. So binding wire directly dispatched by our send traders creditor to these two different location. Okay, it's that's all. Now I have to change the send traders amount 27,500. That's all, and accept the screen. It's over. So sixth purchase has been made. Now come to the last one. That is purchase from Deepak Chemical 1721. Okay, so let's change the date 1721. Let's start with Deepak Chemical. Deepak Chemical. Accept the screen. Put 1 rupee, no problem at all. New reference. That seventh purchase in this financial year. Purchase. Now the item is waterproofing compound. And waterproofing compound sent to direct mail location. If you go through the question, you will find waterproofing direct sent to mail location 3,500 kg, 100 per kg, 3,500 kg, 100 per kg. Fine. Waterproofing, AB Towers, not AB Towers, select mail location, 50,000. After waterproofing, then it sent admixture to mail location. Again, admixture mail location 1500. 1500 quantity 100 per kg. That's all. Look. So this is for mail location. So now we can see waterproofing compound sent to mail location 3,500 kg. Admixture sent to mail location 1,500 per kg. No problem at all. Mail location admixture 1,500 per kg. Okay. So it's over. I have to change the amount 5 lakhs. So that's why I needn't open my calculator. Can you just do this all those things? So accept the screen and it's over. We have completed our total 7 purchase. So second screen has been completed. Now come to the third screen. That's a screen which will provide you. I mean, this screen will helps you to make all those payments, due payments, and transfer and consumption also. Now, just I try to summarize whatever we have done. Actually, our company is running two projects. One is AB Towers, situated at Kolkata. Second one is Hotel Hyatt construction project situated at Siliguri, and one of the main location where uh, there is no information regarding the project with associated with the main location, so we consider it just like a main location, nothing else. So we have purchased several items which is required for construction purpose, and we send at the time of purchase, we receive the delivery of those items in different location, three different location. Some cases we receive all those items to main location, and some cases we receive segregation of those total purchase in different three locations. Okay, so up to this we have completed uh, these particular purchases. Now we make payment to ACC Limited 31st 7 July 21. Company paid 7,20,000 to ACC. So I have to change the mode. So press F5 from your, if you are asked to know the steps. First of all, gateway tally, then voucher, then F5 payment voucher will come up. I have to change the date first. As per the question, the date is 31st 7/21. Okay, this is a payment entry. So in debit sides, what's happened? Uh, we have to pay ACC Limited, ACC Limited 7,20,000. So select ACC Limited, put the value 7,20,123 against reference. Definitely, if you look at the reference, it shows two different reference. I will give you a detail about the all the references later on. First of all, I consider these 7,20,000 is being paid for the first bill. Okay, so consider first 7,20,000 credit. I make payment through my bank. It's over. So you may provide the check name, check range, instrument number 123456. Date is also given, and accept the screen. So that's a plain and simple payment voucher. Okay. Now come to the next part, transfer 200 kg waterproofing compound. This is the case of transfer, okay, not consumption, not purchase. So what to do at that moment? Now before passing this entry, I have to change my configuration. Get back to gateway of tally, then come to alter. Those who are attending job costing classes for the first time, for them I try to mention that before passing, this is a job costing, so whatever be the material has been sent to the site, you have to pass the transfer entry. In that sense, you may transfer some item from the other go down to your site, and second, you have to pass entry for consumption. That means whenever you use all those items for construction purpose, this is called consumption. You have to pass the consumption entries also. So the question is, from where you can access transfer and consumption. That's the way you can access these two parts. So first of all, gateway of tally, then come to the alter, then come to voucher type. So yeah, as you know, transfer and consumption both are a part of stock. Okay, not a part of accounting. So now stock means inventory, so you consider stock journal. So I repeat again the steps: gateway of tally, alter, voucher type, then stock journal. So I select stock journal, open it, and you directly come to the right hand side of the screen where you will find name of classes. Click this particular field and write down transfer. That is the first one. Press enter. If two options are not available, you just press F12. I repeat again. Yes, you just press more detail, you will find these things. So first of all, transfer. use class for inter go down transfer, I turn it as yes. No problem at all. Second option, try to keep it as no. So I activate transfer. Get back to gateway of tally. Come to the voucher. Press enter. Now I about to pass the second entry on the last slide. Transfer 200 kg waterproofing compound 150 admixture uh, from main location to AV towers to be used for foundation work. Okay, that's the entry. So how to pass this entry? Now gateway of tally, then voucher, then press F10, and you will find stock journal, and below this then option which is called transfer is available. Select it. Destination go down. In my case, project AB tower. Name of the item. What's the item? Waterproofing compound. Okay. So first select waterproofing compound. Uh, on which go down? From which go down? It has been transferred. You can see only mail location this item is available. So definitely you have to transfer from mail location to Kolkata go down or Kolkata site or project AB tower. So I select Kolkata. Look at this highlighted portion of the right hand side list of godowns. Only main location contains these items 3500 kgs. So I have to put down the quantity 200 kg. 200 kg rate will be taken automatically. Similarly, next is admix. Admix is available only in main location. Okay, and how much? 150 kg is to be transferred from these two location to destination go down is Kolkata. Why Kolkata? Now, as per your question, you will find a transfer to AB Towers. AB Towers situated at Kolkata, so that's why I have to select Kolkata, accept the screen, and it's over. So this is a voucher class transfer. Transfer of material inter go down. Why inter go down? Now you can see this screen and you will find uh, why you have to change the date, that is 1st August. Okay, 1/8/21. Okay, so from Kolkata, from main location to Kolkata, I accept the screen, Control A, over. Next, third option, I mean third point, which is called consume 100 kg waterproofing compound. Consume at the beginning, it transferred, then consume at AB Towers on next day, 2nd August. So I have to activate consumption journal voucher. How to activate it? It is already given in your tally, but you have need to activate it. So first of all, get to a tally, then come to alter, then come to voucher type. In the similar manner, you have to select stock journal. Okay, now in similar manner, you have to click uh, name of class. Transfer already been created, and below this you create consumption. Presenter, it will ask you the second option. First option is it's related to inter go down transfer, so I keep it as no. Second option, job costing consumption, I turn it as yes. Over. So second option need to be activated, not first option. Second option is associated with consumption, so it's activated. Now if you get back the dashboard, then come to the voucher, then F10. I repeat again, GOT, I mean gateway of tally, then voucher, then F10, you will find consumption option available below stock journal. I select it, consumption is open up. I have to change the date. The date is given as per your question is 2/8/21. 2/8/21. Over. So you can see there are two segments of this particular screen. The left hand side shows the consumption. So in consumption, you just consider 100 kg waterproofing compound at AB Towers. So waterproofing compound, this is at EV towers, 100 kg. Rest of the item will be taken automatically, and nothing need to be done. So your production side remain blank. Okay, this is a case of consumption. Okay, you can see the voucher class is shown consumption. Now, after consumption, now come to the fourth one. This slide, 7 lakhs paid to Roy Builders. So just press F5. Date is given same 2/6. I have to change the date 2/6/21. Payment to Roy Builders. Roy Builders, how much? 19 lakhs due, 7 lakhs paid. 7. Against reference, if you just press against reference, Roy Builders dues has been shown. That is one bill for 19 lakhs. So against second 7 lakhs has been paid and paid through bank. Okay, I just keep all those fields. So it's over. So after Roy Builders making payment, come to the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth entry at last slide, which is said 250 kg waterproofing compound and 100 admixture transfer from main location to Hotel Hyatt. So this is again a transfer entry on 1/8/21. So first of all, transfer entry means I have to press, I repeat again, how to get the transfer entry? Now, gateway of tally, then voucher, then F10, and select transfer under stock journal. So I select transfer. I hope it is visible to you. Press enter. Destination go down Hyatt. So Hyatt, select Hyatt. Siliguri automatically been taken. Name of the item. There are two items. Transfer 250 kg waterproofing compound. Waterproofing compound from which go down? Definitely it will ask you from which go down. From main location. So main location and quantity 250 kg. So 250 kg from main location. If you go through the question, you will find yes 250 kg from main location. The amount is for waterproofing 100. So we put down the 100 and then admixture from main location. Quantity is 100 kg. 100 kg again 100. So that's the mentor go down transfer or from main location to your site. Over. So fifth entry is done on 1/8, 1st August. Now come to the sixth, advance payment 10,000 to the project manager. One interesting thing in that case, we didn't prepare any kind of expenditure, that is managerial expenses. Okay, so let's start how to prepare managerial expenses. So I have to create gateway of tally, create, then come to the ledger. So in ledger, I have to prepare managerial expenses. Managerial expenses comes under indirect expenses. So this is indirect expenses. Inventory value affected, definitely not. Cost center applicable, yes, cost center is applicable. Okay, accept the screen. So managerial expenses is done. Now we try to pass the entry for managerial expenses. In that case, you may find cost center, allocate the cost center. So I have to create the cost center again. Gateway of tally, create, then cost center. So after preparing or after creating the ledger managerial expenses, then we select cost center and write down cost center name I hope you know the cost center name. In that case, yes, AB Towers. So no problem at all. Cost center AB Towers already been prepared. Let's start. Pass the voucher through voucher. That means gateway of tally, then voucher, then payment. This is a case of payment F5, and the date is advance payment 1 lakh. Date is 1/7/21 in cash. So I have to change the date 1/7/21. It has been paid. First of all, we have to consider managerial expenses. Amount 1 lakh. Now it will ask you the cost center class. Press space bar for AB project 50,000, for hotel hire 50,000. So 1 lakh is over and it paid in against cash. So 1 lakh is done. Okay. For AB project, I have prepared managerial expenses. Managerial expenses uh, creating under indirect expenses. It attached with cost centers and allocate the amount. That's all. So after managerial expenses is done, then we pay wages. Look, Mr. Jana is a project manager, Mr. Chatterjee is a project manager. We just skip all those items. Okay. Now we try to prepare labor contract, I mean wages. Okay, so we have to prepare get by gateway of tally, then come to the create ledger wages under direct expenses. Okay. Inventory value affected, no. Cost center allocation, yes. Okay. And the name is to be given on the check. Actually, if we consider in this case, payment wages 1,50,000 was paid Mr. Pradeep, labor contractor at AB Towers by check, and 1,50,000 Mr. Nikhil, it's also by check. Remember, in case of previous case, for managerial expenses, we amount has been made on the basis of cash. Now check. So that's why we need to consider the name Mr. Pradeep and Mr. Nikhil. So what to do? Pass the voucher entry, come to the vouchers. Again, payment is already open. The date which has been given is 1/8/21. So F2 1/8/21. Now come to the debit side where it has been said that this is wages. So press wages. Wages is available here. And the amount is, if you look at the wages, amount is 1,50,000, 1,50,000, that is 3 lakhs. Okay, now cost centers. If you look at the AB Towers, you paid 3 lakhs, 1,50,000. If you consider project Hayat, again 1,50,000 made by bank. Now the name will come up. How to do this? Check is 3 lakh. No, first check is 1,50,000. Okay. Instrument number 1 2 3 4 5 6. And you just press F12. So favoring name. That's another point. For the first time, you just come across this item. Favoring name, you just turn it as yes. Then it will help you or allow you to put the name. Instrument date, instrument favor. What is the name? In this case, Mr. Pradeep. So Mr. Pradeep. Similar manner, in the second case, I just keep instrument number 1 2 3 5 4 5 7 and the name Mr. Nikhil. Over. So 1,50,000, 1,50,000 to designate the payee name has been provided and accept the screen. It's almost over. Now come to the last entry. In the last entry, 50 kg mix, add mix was consumed by AB Towers and 60 kg Hotel Hyatt on 1921 for Foundation X. So again, a consume entry or consumption entry. So I just now I am in voucher mode. Press F10. You will find consumption under stock journal. Open it. Left hand side shows consumption. I need to change the date. 1921. Press F2. 1921. And the name of the item first admix. Okay. Consumed at AB Towers. So consumed at AB Towers. Quantity how much? 50 kg. 50 kg rate automatically been taken. After admix, you will find the same item at Hotel Hyatt. Okay. Again admix. Hotel Hyatt quantity 60 kg. Okay. And accept the screen. Nothing will come up under destination site and accept the screen. It's over. So we have completed this problem. Now this is the time to look at different reports. Okay. So how to look at this? First of all, I would like to show you different reports. How to look all those different reports. Get back, gateway of tally. First come to display more report or press D. Then come to compress stock statement of accounts or press S. And then look at outstanding, press O. I will show all these items. First of all, receivables. If you look you just change the date 1/4/21 to 31st 3/22. Nothing has been sold out, so nothing, no receivable will come up. Payable. So look, detail of payable. If I just synchronize it according to their number, I mean reference number 1 2 3 4 5 6 has been provided. If you take a look at the detail, you just press Alt F1, it will show you details. Okay, now get back. If you want to visualize through ledger mode individually, so just open it and take a look. So pending account, opening amount, everything will be given on the basis of the reference number, that means bill number in this case. Okay, even the payment has been made, also been considered. Okay, so that's all those items which has been considered from, I mean we can see from our display mode. Now if I would like to get our job work analysis, so gateway of tally, then display more items, stock of inventory, come to the stock of inventory, sorry, statement of inventory, and you will find job work analysis options, presenter. You may consider any of your sites or project. I say consider project AB Tower. Alt F1, you can see your consumption. Now nothing has been received as from revenue segment. So your cost of opening stock is given. This is your consumption actually, and this is your total opening value. That means whatever be the purchase and transfer to that particular site. Consumption only 5,000. Okay, nothing else. nothing has been received from your, I mean, you nothing has been received from your customer. So that's why whatever be the consumption, it only be considered. Okay, and 43 8 lakh 85 is your transfer item. If you look at this, this is transfer item, or in that case, whatever be your closing stock, this is your opening stock 43,90,000, and opening stock, and this one is closing stock, so only 5,000 consumed. Okay, so similar manner, if you look at main location, it is also been shown nothing is going on there, but in case of Hyatt Hotel, only 6,000 has been consumed. So that's the details of this particular project. If you look at the project job work analysis, you will find everything in such a way or such a manner. So now we have almost completed our job costing. So now just touch upon one more thing. I just only 2 or 3 minutes left. So I just want to share my PPT. I hope it is visible to you, and you take a look on the slide. You just take a look. This is a adjustment entry. Adjustment means the set of journal entries recorded at the end of the accounting period, or which has to be updated, and accurate balance of all the accounts. And we will show you how to pass all those adjustment entries to tally. So there are types of adjustment entry: accrued revenues, accrued expenses, unearned revenues, prepared expenses, depreciation. I will show you with separate examples how to pass all those adjustment entry, and uh, get how its effect is imposed or replicate on reflect on your books of accounts, maybe in PL, maybe in balance sheet. Next one is advance payment. Yes, one thing it needs to be mentioned in this scenario. At the time of passing purchase or sales ledger, you will find four options are available. Okay, so in these four options, what are the four options? One is new reference, second one is against reference, third one is advance, fourth one is on account. So the question is when, how to use all those four adjustment entries. Okay, so you know how to pass, how to use the new reference at the time of purchase or the time of sale. If it is a fresh purchase or fresh sale, then we just consider it as a new reference and put down the reference number. On the other hand, against reference means if purchase has been made on credit and later on you make some payment, then at the time of payment you have to consider the purchase bill, as we have done in our just job costing cases. And the next one is advance. That is the advance payment is business. A payment made in advance, simply advance, the part of contractual due. That means how to pass. You receive the amount of money at the beginning, and definitely without making any consideration or without providing any services, then definitely it's to be considered as a liability. Okay, or if you make it's you receive the payment. And whenever you make payment in advance, then it will be considered as your assets. So how to do this? Uh, so I will show you with an example. So method of adjustment tally for adjusting advance payments. This is an example. I will try to solve this example in my next class, and definitely we will try to cover in next class the advance payment. Then we'll bank reconciliation statement, then budget and budgetary control. Finally, we will cover GST, payroll, and TDS. Actually, GST, payroll, TDS is a three huge chapters. That's why I try to cover at the end. So that's all for today. Thank you to all of you, and have a nice day. Madam, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for today.
Thank
I
you, sir.
leave I leave the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.